This is a half adder circuit. You can see XOR gate is used for sum, and carry and AND gate is used for the carry. So A XOR B is equal to sum, and A dot B, which is A and B, is equal to carry. So now we will learn how to design this circuit using online multisim simulator. So since here we require two gates, first is AND gate, and also we require this is AND gate, and this AND gate requires two input AND gates. So I will draw this thing over here. After that also I require a XOR gate. This is a XOR gate, and this XOR gate is also two input XOR gate. Apart from that, we want to see the output. For that we need an LED. So this is the LED, you can see. This is LED. Also we need one more LED for the output of and we have to ground this LED. So we need one ground. We have to give the input, since we have seen that there are two inputs A and B. So there should be, we have to take switch. This is a switch. SPDT, always remember, for input you have to take this SPDT switch. So switch I have taken, mirror it, because we want to give one to ground and one to DC voltage. So this is one input and this is another input. Now you have to give DC voltage, which is VCC. Okay, DC voltage is VCC to this one, and similarly for this thing as well. After that you have to ground it as well. So take the ground for this and this as well. So now you have to do the connections. Firstly you will attach the this to DC voltage, and later on you have to attach this thing. Firstly you have to attach this, you have to connect this DC voltage to the ground. Similarly connect this DC voltage to the ground. Similarly you can connect this switch to this DC voltage. Similarly you have to connect this switch with the ground, directly with the ground. Now this part is over. Now you have to connect similarly these things also, because we want to see the output. And if you want to see the output, you have to just connect it with the LED, both the outputs, so that these LEDs will blink and you can see whether you are getting the result or not. Connect these LEDs with the ground. Now these are the two inputs, S1, S2, and these are the two outputs, U1, U2. Now you can just directly connect them. S1 A is connected to S1 is connected to U2. Similarly, just connect this thing as well. Okay. Now A XOR B, S1 XOR S2 is equal to U2, which is for sum. So S1 is connected to U2. Now you have to connect this S2 also with U2. So what you will do, very easy. Simply you will take this and add it with this. So now you can see S1 XOR S2 is equal to U2, which is for sum. And now U1 is connected with the input S2, but it is not connected with the S2. So now you can just directly I connect with this thing. So now your circuit is completed. Okay, this is a circuit for half adder now. This is a completed half adder circuit. So now you can just run it. So let's run this thing. Your simulator is loading and it has started running. So you can see that half adder when yes, firstly I will put both things with 0. So if we see the truth table of when it is 0 0, then sum is 0 and carry is 0. When it is 0 0, देखिए both the inputs are 0. I have connected it to the ground, which is equal to 0. That is why the LEDs are not blinking. That means the sum is all, this is the sum which is also 0, and this is carry is also 0. For 0 1, this when a is 0 and it is 1, then the sum is 1 and carry is, when either of them I will make 1, then the sum will be 1. LEDs you can see is blinking, and this S2 is 0, means carry is always 0. Either case I will do this thing again. The sum is 1 and it is 0. And in the case of when both are 1, then the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So both are 1. Yes, you can see sum is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. So I hope you all have understood how to design a circuit of half adder using online multisim tool. Thank you everybody. Thank you all.